Hey, what's up, amigos? Hope all is well. I'm gonna do a quick recap today. Um, it was a weird day, and of course, this is one of my personal struggles that I deal with. Sometimes my risk management is not as good as I want it to be. Um, my conviction's there, my sizing in is there, and today I went from negative 26R to 3540R, and I ended the day with a plus 30R. Usually fluctuations are not supposed to be that high, uh, but it was a weird day. So I'm gonna reflect on that for myself. A lot of these videos I am trying to make it as for myself and beneficial for other people as well, but I'm trying to make it in a way so that I do it more often. So that's what it's going to be about. If you enjoyed it, you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'm surprised last time a lot of you guys liked a short video. I guess I'm the only weirdo that thinks would benefit people. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. And one of the guys that commented below in the YouTube video, I actually asked them over to come on voice, and I've done a bunch of help one-on-one traders. Okay, so that's what happened today. I'm gonna go over it. It happened in WORX. Okay, so what was I thinking and why? I'm not gonna go over everything, but typical. You go to the filing search, it had overhead, it had a series preferred A, it had warrants, they were in the money. So that you combine it with the volume traded and the end of the projection volume to determine if it was a short or a long. And in the morning I was short bias on it, and that was the reason why. Like, you go through this, you read the latest one, 10Q, and then you go down, you check this stuff, and you just double check. But that's another day story. So fundamentally there was a reason for me, I thought, to be short. So this is what this is. Okay, short. So I'm just seeing this for the first time, as you guys are. Okay, so this is good. I shorted at 9. Nope, I missed the 9:30. Why? I don't know. I think I was trying to fill higher, didn't fill, and then I just shorted here. Then I covered, shorted. My risk was here, 650. So that's a good stop out. That's a good stop out. But I guess I washed again and I shorted again. And I stopped out there. One trade, two trade, third trade. This, I wasn't using full size, but still, this here is an issue. Okay, let's talk about why is it an issue for me. I noticed that behavior of mine a lot. After the third trade, my risk management gets sloppy. I don't cover as quickly because usually I have hard stops and things like that. If I don't have hard stops, I was trading 3-4 tickers, I tend to mess up. Okay, so one thing I was thinking about is some of the guys from SMB. I think they have a hotkey which automatically puts a 25 cent or 10. They're some of them are good traders, but they're scalps, so they have 10 cents. But I think I was thinking of just putting a hotkey and instantly putting a 25 cent stop. If you guys have solutions for trade zero, I would love to hear it. Ideally, I would love to have a percent based stop, like a 5% stop automatically that I attach to it, or I would love a 5 minute ATR, which is too complex for trade zero. They don't even have freaking trailing stops. If you guys have solutions, I would love to hear it. That's a mistake. But did stop out. I might not. I think my stop was probably here. Yeah, I think I was smaller size, and then my stop must have been above here. I still got slippage, but whatever. Um, so I gotta make it a habit. Whenever I enter 25-cent hard stop, and then adjust it. Okay. And then, so when did I go also long? I went long. Ooh. That's weird. 9 o'clock. I guess 9:30 or 5. Must have went long here, which is quite weird. So I went long with IB. I'm really good. I use a trail stop, 5 minute, manually stop, and then trail stop. Because I was thinking long bias. So it seems. Yeah, this is where I was trying to short. Yeah. It's okay. So I guess I was long and then trail stopped. Okay. Shorted here, covered here. So this looks good. Short cover, short cover, short cover. Is it good? That's the one thing I've been noticing. I'm scalp mode, which is something I used to not do. But I am using more size. So in the past, what I would do, maybe I gotta think about that. Maybe I have to. So in the past, I would short and I would not take profits at all. I would just go for break even. So I would short here, it would wash, I wouldn't take profit, and I would just have a break even. But sometimes in here I take profits. I don't know. It's a tough one. I am using more size, so, and I know it's the front side. Okay, so it's above weave up, and it's on float rotation. My thought process is it has a lot of overhead, even though it's on quote unquote float rotation. It could have died down. Do I regret that? No. It's all situational. In other trades that you see that I said it's above weave up, it's because it didn't have that much dilution. This one had a bit more. But I should be mindful. At 11, 12, it didn't. So that's an area that I could improve on. The other thing is, should I go back to my roots? So in this case, I would have shorted here. I wouldn't have gotten this profit. And I wouldn't. I probably would have shorted here, would have taken a loss. If I was perfect, would have taken a loss here. So I short, and break even. I wouldn't have gotten this profit. Wouldn't have gotten this profit. But then this gave me a nice loss. I don't know. It's a tough one. So this short, I would have done. So this I did good. Here I shorted. What was my risk? I was shorting here. I think my risk was here. Did I obey? No, but I covered. Okay, I don't mind that. I shorted here where my risk was. As I was topping out above that wick, I had a hard stop, which is good. But like a moron, I shorted it back again because I'm sure it went above and then it washed, and then I covered again. So this trade here was iffy. And here I'm actually longing. I longed on this account and I longed on this account. I longed quite a bit of size. I had a trail stop on this, so it went in the money. A dollar came out, stopped me out, and then I relonged it again, full size, risking just, I don't know. This was like 6 to 8 R or something like that. And I had a trail stop, which is perfect. I never got stopped out. It got stopped out here, but I got stopped out. Gave me the full meat of the move. So here, I added, sold into the, which is good. This is good, even though the sale is iffy. It's good. When it came back here, I added, because I got to my average. I added a lot of size here. I added here, and I got to my average. Trimmed a little bit, went in the money, added, and then I took very small, like nothing. It's like 1/30th here. Here, I did good. Okay. I was looking at the high of the day. This is beautiful. Beautiful. This trade here was a 40R. This was beautiful. What was the benefit? What was the good thing? So the good thing here was, yeah, I'm gonna make a video on the for the other ICD on the other one. So this is gonna be just about this. The good thing here is the wick action. I knew short was in trouble. It went from 7 to 11.50, pulled back, shorts are in trouble. First pullback, shorts are covering, longs are buying. Washes the weak hands. Okay. This is lucky, but I stopped, well, good practice behavior. I was uncomfortable size. I had a lot of shares. Broken when I went into the money. So my average was like really good. This is a lot of entries. Got it here, okay. This is good. So it gets the break even, I sell some. Have that as a good habit. It's above VWAP. It's 12:30. They know they're gonna hit them, so I did a good job at entering. Very, very, very good job. This is 1/50th size. I partialed. I waited until the high of the day test, and then I sold into. First, it was into half 12.50 for like 1/5, and then most of it at 13.50s. This is beautiful. Okay. I think this is a long again. Oh no, yeah, this is a long. Sold it. Looked heavy, washed. Sold break even. Switch short. Yes. Switch short, risking here. I covered here. And this is a mistake. I was on voice. This is a really, really big mistake. And if you guys are listening, this would be beneficial. I was telling my friend that I should be long this. So I covered into the wash. And as it reclaimed the full thing, it should not have done that. And as soon as it does that, a large portion of the times, for any statistical traders, a large portion of the times it will reclaim the high of the day. And that's just because this is a fake. It's not about statistics, it's about understanding what happens. This is a fake. So there's a lot of people that, quote unquote, say death candle or broke the previous low or want to short the breakdown. In manipulated stock, it's hard because check this out. Golden nugget. golden nuggets, my friends. So the low of this candle is 11.26. Guess the low of this candle. It's going to be less than that by a penny or two. By a penny. 11.27. As you guys can see up here, it will show the lows. 11.27, 11.26. So the claims here, I wanted to switch short bias, but I always say, listen, don't worry about your emotions, don't be stupid, just go with it. So I was shorting it, and then I was like, I'm gonna risk off of here. But I know I should have went long. Okay, I covered some, reshorted, and then I stopped out. Again, another mistake I did is I stopped out at 11.50. I think ideally when I took the short, my thought process was 11, 13, 16 or 13.50s. Those were the two areas. And I chose the other one, which is part of the plan, which is okay. But problematic. Problematic indeed. And then I shorted again. So error here. How do I correct this error? I have to utilize the hotkey, which I'm going to make after this video. After this video and after the other freaking video. I'm going to add a hard key unless you guys have solutions. So that I stop out there. And I mean, I stopped out, I obeyed. And then I got to here, I shorted. And then I covered whatever, I covered a small amount. I tried to cover more, but it didn't fill. So I covered, and then I reshorted whatever that was here, and I felt iffy. And as it washed down, I covered everything. After hours, 1/5 size or something smaller. Shorted 13s and covered. Okay. How do I grade this play? Fundamental side, in the morning, I would have redone it. Thought process, psychology, who's hurting, I did a good job on that. So, play-wise, I think I would give it an A++, which is tough because I kind of hate myself how I manage it. But the risk management section, my monthly goal is to enhance the risk management side. Risk management side, I would probably give it a B-. What did I do good? I did good. My thought process in the morning was good. I would take this trade 50,000 times over. If they had the same scenario, I would reshort here all the time because of the fundamental plays, because of everything. That's good. Even here I shorted. It's not reasonable, but the fact that it went below here and it had overhead, it could have easily went down. I think that's a good job as well, even though this is a loss. And it ended up being a good loss here, because like an idiot I would kept trying. Okay, so that's good. Good part here is that I saw it's like parabolic move, wash down, not the correct time of the day. It was going to be bought out. I longed a lot of size, and then I sold into the pushes, and I cut break even when I went here. Good about that. Good about this. Bad. So this is the bad stuff, I guess. I'm lucky that it's in that order. So bad is risk management. Bad here. Should have stopped out there. Should have stopped out here. Not try multiple times. Wait until something to risk against. Up to here is okay. Anything above is just stupid. This short, this short. This short here is bad. This one. So here, bad risk management as well. Could have improved that, and I'll improve it by hotkeys. Good thought process here. Really good patience on my part. Very good patience. I tried covering here, didn't work. And I should covered more here, and then this is me panicking, thinking that I would squeeze higher. So I slowly covered in increments. So the improvement is risk management as always. And that's it. For the long here, good job on the long. On interactive brokers, it seems to be I'm doing well because of the trail stop has helped me a lot. Anytime I have losses, and losses are very minimal. Relatively, if I obey the trail stop, if I cancel it, I get fucked. So doing good in that department. And this here, it doesn't look a lot, but this literally had like 12 cents or 25 cents stop, as you can see. It wasn't 25 cents, it was 75-cent trail, but I had adjusted it so that I was long here, and then I was risking just here. It's probably 30 cents, and then 30-cent risk, 30-40 cents, and I got 12.60, 70. So I don't know what it is, but it was a really good gainer too. Okay, so that's this trade. If you liked it, enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, share with somebody who benefited. Let me know if you have solutions for me, how I can enhance my risk management if you use TradeZero, and down the road I might pick somebody to do one-on-one if I can benefit them, or if they can benefit me. I'm down with that too. So thank you guys.